Hi guys, we are group number 2 and our team is Benjamin Quinn, Jacob Yeager, Zach Jacobs, and me, Kinney Anderson, and this is our DOE project on boiling water. We decided to do our project on boiling water based on what we had available to us and because there would be a wide array of variables to choose from. The variables we did decide on were the position of the lid on a pot of boiling water and the amount of water being boiled. Our constants include the pot used to boil the water, the stovetop we were using to boil the water source, so we weren't using we were just using tap water, the timer used and the person timing, and the amount of heat used, which was the stove on high. So for our variables, our factor A was the lid position, representing negative representing the lid being off and positive representing the lid completely covering the pot. And our second factor, factor B, has a negative representing a 1/4 full pot and a positive sign representing a 3/4 filled pot. For our experimental procedure, the correct amount of water according to the combination number in the correct lid placement was arranged, and then the heat was turned on high, and once the water boiled, the timer was stopped, the heat was turned off, and the timer was recorded. We did this 5 times for each combination. Here are a couple of pictures of our experiment, and in the middle here we have a video of just us going through the process. You can see there it starts to boil. And then here is the data we collected. So you can see that there's an obvious difference in the various times according to the combination. So here is the data in a way that makes a little bit more sense. We have our average times for each combination on the right, and we also have our standard deviation for these averages on the end, and our grand average there at the bottom is 2 minutes and 53 seconds. We were looking for the fastest way to boil water, and so combo number 3 down there is the quickest time at 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Now we are at our factor level analysis, and you can see here that for each factor we've broken down the average time. So like for example for A, the 2 minutes and 39 seconds is when the lid is on, and the 2 minutes and 57 seconds is when the lid is off. And so again, we're looking for the shortest amount of time. So the positive on factor A and the negative on factor B show us the quickest times, and so that is our optimal level would be A plus and B minus. So then this is our formula for calculating the minimum cooking time. We're using our grand average, which here 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Then we have our optimal for factor A and our optimal for factor B in the green and blue respectively. And once you calculate all that out, we get 2 minutes and 30 seconds estimate. And so then we went through the entire procedure again, and our average came out at 2 minutes and 21 seconds for the plus minus combination. So what we found was that the combination in the experiment was actually more effective than the predicted equation, being 2 minutes and 21 seconds versus 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And a possible explanation for this is maybe some human error with recording time, maybe not allowing the pot to cool or not cool consistently, and maybe inconsistent amounts of water. Thanks for listening and have a great day.